Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is pecan pie bars. You're going to start out by a 9x13 pan. I do have it sprayed, and I have 1 can of crescent rolls. I made the mistake of buying the off-brand, and they were very hard to smooth out and patch together. I feel like the Pillsbury ones I normally use would have been way easier. As you can see, it didn't fit in the pan. You have to really press it down, and you're supposed to work up like a little edge around the pan. You'll see why at the end. So I did bake that for 8 minutes, and then in a separate bowl, I have vanilla extract, an egg, some sugar, some melted butter, and some corn syrup. I mix that together really well. And then to that, I will add in a cup of chopped pecans. And you're going to want to coat the pecans very well. And about that time, your crescent rolls should be done in the oven. So all you do is dump that mixture and try to even it out on there. And if you can, I'm going to make these again because they're really good, but I would really try to make like a lip around the pan, because one side had it, the other side didn't really, because there wasn't enough crescent rolls, and it kind of started oozing off the side and going underneath it. So it didn't look the prettiest when it came out, but it still tasted exactly like a pecan pie. It was so good. So here I am smoothing it out. I'm going to bake that for 18 minutes. Course, check on it. I started off with like 10 and I'm like, okay, yeah, definitely needs more. It'll look like this when it's done. It'll be golden brown. Everything will be kind of set. Mine was bubbling. Definitely has that gooiness. Again, didn't look the prettiest. It's kind of my fault because I didn't put an edge on it, but it tasted so good. Definitely recommend trying it because it's so easy. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.